Hi friends, I'm back again with some more tips for you. I've shared many videos earlier on lots of tips. Actually, these help us a lot in the kitchen, make our work simple and easy. So check out my older videos as well, and I hope today's video also you'll like the tips that I've shared with you all. These stickers stuck on the vessels don't come off easily. Here's how you can remove them. Hold them with tongs over the flame for a few seconds. Now let it cool down a bit. Carefully, you peel off the sticker. Comes off so easily. This is what happens when we try to remove the label or the price tag from the crockery. The glue is stuck there. It doesn't come off completely clean. So here is a tip how we can remove it effortlessly. Put little water on the label or the price tags. Place the dish in the microwave for about 8 to 10 seconds. I have microwaved it for 9 seconds. Look at that, how easily it just comes off. Just peel it off and there's nothing, no glue, nothing is stuck to it. Remove the water. It's done. How easy it was, nice and clean. In the monsoon season, due to the moisture in the air, the matchsticks do not light easily. This is really very irritating. So what you can do is, as soon as you buy a new matchbox, remove the plastic wrapper and immediately put it in a plastic box. This will help. Here's a small tip how you can eliminate odors from the kitchen and keep it free of insects and flies in a natural way. For this we'll require 1 lemon. Try to get a bigger size, larger lemon. Cotton wick, camphor and some cloves. Powder the cloves in a pestle and mortar. Crush them. Because it's a small quantity, you cannot do it in a grinder or a mixer. Now we have to crush the camphor. For this, I'll not be using pestle and mortar, but I'll use a plastic paper. Fold it and crush it on top. Now take the lemon and cut out the top part, a smaller portion. Scoop out the fleshy part and squeeze out the juice. You can use this lemon juice in your salads or any other cooking. Store it in the refrigerator. Now pour oil into the lemon. Add the clove and camphor powders. Put the wick inside and pour little more oil over it. You can even make this oil infused with camphor and cloves and store it in a bottle. Now light the lemon and keep it in any safe corner in the kitchen away from the gas cylinders. tea stainers get clogged like this when all the residue gets stuck to the mesh. They need to be cleaned periodically. So here's a small tip, you can follow this. First, place it over the flame to burn all the stuck particles. You can see the smoke which is burning them. When they are burnt, they come out very easily. Do this for few seconds. Now take water in a larger pan. Add baking soda, about 1 teaspoon. Mix it and bring it to a boil. Immerse the strainer into it. Make sure there is enough water, so I am going to add more water until the tea strainer is covered completely. It should be immersed properly in the water. Boil it for a couple of minutes and switch off the gas. Now leave it immersed, preferably overnight, which gives it enough time to soak well, and the cleaning and scrubbing part will be done easily without much effort. You can already see some fine particles have come out in the water while boiling. Now using a metal scrubber, scrub the strainer. You can see all the black residues coming out. Rinse it in between and again continue scrubbing until it is clean. The scrubbing part is a bit tedious and time consuming, but nevertheless we like to have everything nice, neat, clean and shining in our kitchens. It's almost clean now. See the water, it's become so blackish. Rinse it under running water and you can use a detergent soap now to wash it. It's clean. I usually do this once a month. So the strainer is very nice and clean. Sometimes we buy a big bunch of bananas and don't consume them the same day. So here is the tip how you can prevent them from over ripening too fast. Take some foil paper and wrap the stem part tightly with this. This will prevent the ethylene gas which forms during the ripening process to reach other parts of the fruit and make it ripen too fast. You can do this individually also to each banana. In the place of foil paper, you can also use a cling wrap. This works well too. So either way, you wrap them up and enjoy them for a longer time. Here we go. You can leave the bunch out in a tray or a fruit basket. And the stem part should be facing up this way. So friends, I hope you like these tips. Click on this playlist to watch more videos on tips. Thank you. Stay tuned.